Hi, I'm Eric from AMP. Thanks for joining me. Today I have the joy of unboxing the SRK-RAM13H. This is an installation and integration kit made specifically for the Stinger Highton. It takes the 10-inch touchscreen HD display and mounts it perfectly in the dash of your Ram truck. Let's take a look at what's included in the box to make this seamless installation completely plug and play. First thing on top is a piece of paper with a QR code. Grab your smartphone, scan the QR code. That's going to make sure that you have the latest up-to-date instruction manual. One of the big features of the Ram kit is the hub replacement. So we have all the cables, the dual USB ports, the HDMI, the aux input, and 2 complete sets of plastic to match whatever hub was in your Ram. We have the AM/FM antenna adapter. This is a small 10-pin to 10-pin harness. This plugs in between your pack link and your radio replacement module. We have our main connection harness, which is completely plug and play. Again, we're not cutting any of the Ram's wiring. Our factory antenna connection cable, if you're hooking up satellite radio. This is our CAN bus connection harness. In some Rams, we're going to connect this in behind the glove box. We have the chime module and mounting hardware. Our radio replacement module, that's going to communicate to the Ram, keep everything happy on the CAN bus. Our pack link module, which communicates between the radio replacement module and other modules. There's 2 small video adapters we have in here. These modules are going to plug into our main harness. There's a bag that has dash plastics. These are the support brackets that are going to mount the Highton into the dash of the Ram. We include some zip ties for your wiring. We have a small piece of tape that's going to be used on the back of the pack module to tape it to the radio replacement module. And then last but certainly not least is this piece of plastic that's been designed to fit the Highton display perfectly and mount it to your Ram pickup. And that's everything that's included in the box for the SRK-RAM13H, so you can seamlessly install your Highton into your Ram pickup.